collect a swarm and put it in a hive. Check it out. Boy, you close. I didn't expect you to be this close, but that's okay. It depends on what you're comfortable with.
I didn't expect that.
We are now depositing into the hive. And now we're about to put the top on. This is the smoothest, easiest. You would think we are professionals. So everybody, we have just collected our first swarm on a fig tree, which is nice and soft, easy to cut. So we cut the swarm. They're all focused in on what they're doing, on the queen and so on. So now, one of my hives swarmed. We've collected the swarm, and it's in a pre-prepared box. And after a period of time, I'll check on them and add a few more frames. But now I've moved from having 3 hives to having 4. That was fun. Okay? This is Grow Master. I'm here with Daniel. Over and out.